guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review a brand new product called the Kingston FURY Renegade PCIe Gen 4 SSD. How fast is this SSD? Does it live up to the numbers? Let's find out. The Renegade SSD offers blazing speed up to 7300 MBs and up to 1 million input-output operating speed for amazing consistency and exceptional gaming experience. From game and application loading times to streaming and capturing, give your system a boost in overall responsiveness. This SSD also provides exceptional gaming experience. From game and application loading times to streaming and capturing, give your system a boost in overall responsiveness. Now let's discuss some other features of this SSD. This SSD is very slim compared to the other SSD. The slim M.2 form factor combined with low profile graphene aluminum heat spreader is optimized for intense usage in gaming rigs, gaming laptops and motherboards. This is actually very efficient for gamers. The Kingston FURY Renegade have petabyte written rating or PBW as 1000 times its capacity. So here in the 1 terabyte model, it has 1 petabyte written as PBW for the next 5 years. Now we have initialized the SSD. Now let's check the speed test. We are using the speed test using Crystal Dismart, which is good to understand this. Now as we can see, it matches iterated speed, which is nothing but 7000 MB, which is the read speed, and 6000 MB, which is the write speed. Quite a lot. It is truly a Gen 4 SSD. Now we can also check the Atto benchmarks. These benchmarks basically show read and write speeds of various KB files. This SSD is available in 4 capacities from 500 GB to 4 TB. Anyways, thank you for watching guys. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one. Peace.